Hello guys, let's see how you can convert your draw.io diagram to Visio. First, go to the draw.io website. Once the website opens, click on Try It Free to start. Now click File from the top left corner. Click on Untitled Diagram and enter the name you want for your diagram. Next, select the square shape from the left side and place it on the diagram. Resize the shape and adjust its position as needed. After that, add the colors you want to use for the diagram. Now click File from the top left corner again. Then click Save. Save again and select Authorize. Now choose the Google account you want to use. Then click Continue to complete the authorization. After saving your diagram, file again and select Export As. From the available options, select Advanced. Here, enter the file name for your diagram. Next, select the format you want to use. You can also choose the zoom, width, height, and DPI settings. Once everything is selected, click Export. Then click Save to save the exported file. You can also use the other available export options to save your diagram as PNG, JPEG, WebP, or other supported formats. That's how you can export your draw.io diagram using the available format options. If this guide helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.